just
Yeah, see?
collected that. New bike.
Already 1 month.
1 month. Still so new.
Yeah, yours always cycling maybe,
I cycle about 1 week, 2-3 times like that.
For us, it's once a week only.
Oh, once a week only.
Weekdays, weekend, Saturday.
Oh, weekends only. Weekdays sometimes I cycle.
Because we have work Monday, Friday.
Also work lah, but after work
After work.
Yeah.
The seats, right? This one?
Yeah, nice. This
Nice.
one, I just changed this one.
Mhm.
This one testing up to come up.
Then, it's okay,
Not bad. Not bad.
Not bad.
Good
Question, good question.
Yeah. This one, Hamgyong, Chinatown. Your cycle how many rounds after this? Oh, finish.
Or finish.
Go back.
Go back.
Wait, ready. Yeah, I'm hoping one more round. Then
Huh? One more round?
One more round. This is my 4th round.
Oh, really?
My 4th round. Yeah.
Wow.
So I get one more round first.
We'll
Okay.
see you here again,
Sorry?
Later.
Later, we'll see you here again.
You,
Next week.
Next week, Saturday,
Yeah.
9:30.
9:30.
Same time, then no problem.
Okay.
We're
Okay.
going down.
Okay, see you.
Yeah, take care.
Take care.
Yeah, bye.
Malakas pala siya. Tatanungin ko sana kung nagtulak siya.
Tilak ko yan.
Nagtulak siya.
Yan lang siya sa mga
Malakas siya pag ano.
Baka taga dito lang siya.
Malapit na rin. Dyan lang.
Ah, dyan lang pala. Ah, wala.
Kaya nagkaka 3 times siya eh. Possible talagang kaya niya yan.
Siguro kaya din natin.
Kaya natin kung araw-araw din tayo.
No.
Kasi kung hindi tayo magaling sa malayo.
Oo. Nakakaan siya eh. Depende na so every other day.
Hmm.
Ano niya natin.
Ano yung 9 speed yung ano niya?
Parang kay
Christian. Ganda yung ano niya. Malambot yung
Buwan?
Buwan.
Siya Italia. 80.
80.
Chinatown muna.
Saan niya nabili? Chinatown? Parang doon rin na, parang meron niya sa Chinatown nga. May, parang doon ko nabili yung helmet ko dati.
Siya Italia. Maganda nga yun. Tsaka ano? Sa New Era Cycle may ganyan siya Italia.
Hmm.
Mapunta. Okay.
Mr. Chef.
Nadama rin dito po. Ano yung pagkakata?
Ito pala. Ah, tara.
Dito.
Ah, pupop.
Higit din ako. Para
Pabawas.